Hi, Writing One students, and welcome to Writing One, and welcome for many of you to UC Merced. My name's Dawn Trook, and I'll be your writing instructor this semester. I'm really looking forward to meeting you and working with you and collaborating with you this semester. I want to let you know that I've been working at UC Merced for 10 years. I've been teaching writing since 1994 and I have a background in creative writing. My MFA, Masters of Fine Arts, is in poetry. So I like to take a creative angle on a lot of things. I'll try to push people out of their comfort zone in some ways so we can grow as writers and as thinkers. But I try to do it in a way that makes you feel safe. So we'll be creating a supportive community the first day of class. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. Thanks.